Vietnam's stock market just hit its highest point in 3 years. Why? Because U.S. President Donald Trump announced a new trade agreement with Vietnam. This news made investors excited, and they rushed to buy Vietnamese stocks. What is a trade agreement? A trade agreement is like a deal between two countries. It helps them buy and sell goods and services more easily. These deals usually reduce taxes or fees on imported and exported goods. That way, countries can trade more without spending too much money. What's in the Vietnam-U.S. deal? President Trump's trade agreement with Vietnam focuses on these key things. 1. The U.S. agreed to buy more goods made in Vietnam, like clothes, electronics, and food. Vietnam also agreed to import more American-made items, such as machines and farming tools. 2. Both countries agreed to reduce tariffs, extra taxes on imported goods. This means products can move between countries at cheaper prices. 3. The U.S. will help Vietnam improve its factories and technology. This will help Vietnamese companies grow faster and compete globally. And 4. The deal also adds rules to make trade fair. It helps protect businesses from cheating or unfair pricing. When investors heard about the deal, they believed it would help Vietnam's economy. More trade means more money for companies. More money means higher profits. That's why people started buying stocks in Vietnamese companies. As more people bought stocks, prices went up. This pushed the stock market to a level it hasn't seen in 3 years. This deal is big news for Vietnam. It demonstrates that the country is emerging as a significant player in the global economy. It also means that more jobs, factories, and better technology could be on the way soon. The bottom line is that Vietnam's trade deal with Trump made investors happier, boosted business confidence, and gave the stock market a significant boost. The channel recommends that you hold on to your VND. This could signal an upward trend for the currency's value.